only when you've got the answers to what is the problem and what is the solution, now the time has come to talk about how to cause the solution to be implemented. And throughout everything, you have to hammer into people something amazing. It must be simple. It must be simple. Why do I stress it so much? Somehow, we have come to believe that the more complicated the problem, the more complicated should be the solution. This is totally idiotic. The more complicated the problem, the simpler must be the solution, otherwise it will never ever work. This concept of how to insist on extremely simple solutions is something that people are not used to it. Once again, we have to prove it over and over and over and over and over again on each function of the organization. Otherwise, when we come to put the strategy and the tactic, we will get something so damn complicated that there is no chance of implementing it. Is it understood, yes or no? This is probably the hardest lesson to teach. When do you know that you have a good solution? Only in one case. When once you have it, you say, oh shit! By the way, this is the only criteria for a Nobel Prize in physics. You want a Nobel Prize in physics? Very easy. Just publish an article where every other physicist reading your article is saying, oh shit. That's a Nobel Prize. And do you know what happened then? Then when you come to explain it to other people, you apologize that it's so simple that how come you were so stupid not seeing it before? Remember yesterday, last presentation? Here I'm just a car guy. It's so simple. 300% boom, net profit goes up when we are dealing with the best company already. This is something that is probably the hardest thing to implant in people's mind. The eagerness to get sophisticated solutions is immense. What are you here, on ego trip? You want to show the solution which is unbelievably complicated? Or you want a solution that will work? Once again, I'm afraid of reaching the last step. And remember, the last step for me is the first step of the implementation, which is sensible strategy and tactic. Reaching this stage without already conditioning people to that, and we will get strategy and tactic which is unbelievably complicated and confused. And then, kiss goodbye results.